Thank you, Steve. So today is another session of our upskilling. So we have feedbacking strategies, adding comments such as text or emojis to submitted activities. Now, adding comments or putting in feedback to our students increase student engagement. So that is what we are basically going to do today. And before anything else, my name is Oriel Lisa Maika, and I will be your facilitator for this morning. So let me share my screen. I'll be pulling up my virtual classroom. So this is what my students are currently using today, my empowerment technology class. So I'll just make this virtual classroom as an example for our training this morning. So basically when it's easier to add feedbacks or such as text and emojis in assignments. So learning activities such as assignment. So I have here an example and I'll just make this. This is what we are going to put in our feedback. So feedback usually has comments over here and annotate PDF. So do make sure that you're able to set this up because sometimes you don't see the feedback comments over here on the right side of our screen if we don't set it up while creating the assignment activity. So again, you will not be able to see the feedback comments here if it's not set up. All you can see is this part, the annotation of our PDF. So if we have this here, we can just put in our comments. So put comments here. You can actually add images to your comments, audio and video file if that's what you prefer. H5P as well. You can add that over here. So it's the same with putting in a label. If you add label in your learning activity, so it actually functions the same way over here. And if you're good with this comment here, just add the grade. Say for example, add the grade. And if you want to notify the students, you tick that box over here and the notification will go to their email. They will be notified through their email. Then save changes. So that's one way of putting in your feedback for your students. Another way is the annotation of the PDF. So this is where you're going to work on it. So you have here the rotation, rotate 90 degrees to the left and rotate 90 degrees to the right. So this is usually applicable if the students is to submit an image. So you can use that one. Now this part here is the notes. So just click on that, notes or comments. So click on that one, and if you want to leave a comment just right after the submission, you can just create a box over there like that. Then put in your comment. There you go. And if you want to add another comment just anywhere in between the text, you can also do that. So just create a box. You can just create a box and then add another comment there. And just in case you want to delete the entire comments aside from like deleting the whole box, just click on the arrow button here. And then just click on the box. And this box on the corner, you can either add to quick list or delete comments. So it's going to delete the entire thing. The same way with when you, let's say, add this pen. So if you want to annotate that within a circle or a line, that depends on you. So again, if you want to delete these, just go back to clicking the arrow, and then click on whichever part you want to delete. Then just click on the delete icon or the trash icon. Okay. Another way is this one, is just adding a line, make it much more straighter rather than this pen here. Quite different. This one is a rectangle and a square, so the same. You can just annotate it like that, and with a circle as well. There. Then of course, again, just go back to clicking on the select or the arrow button, and then just delete. Okay, that's how easy you can delete those objects. And of course, over here, these are just colors for your notes. So if you choose green, and when you click the comment there, so it will also turn out green. Okay. So basically, when the students read this, they just have to hover their mouse and it will just appear like that. And we also have highlight. So click on that one and then just drag your mouse. Then you can now highlight the text. And you can also change the color of the highlight pen. There we go. So let me just delete that again. And I think the last one here are the emojis, or just the stump there. So these can be considered as emojis here, your sad face and your smiley face. So if you want to make it bigger, just drag it, hold and drag. And same with this. You can put it there, and X, and the plus, the check mark. So by adding the emojis or comments, thus again increase engagement to our students, and of course they would want to hear feedback from us. It will really actually help them with their learning. Even just an emoji will be a big boost to their confidence. So the same thing, let me just put in a check mark here, a big one there, and I want to transfer it to the middle. There you go. So the same thing, if you want to notify the students, tick the box and then save changes, or save and show next, either way. So yeah, basically that is it for adding comments such as text and emojis to submitted activity. That is for assignment learning. But let's say if we want to add comments in, let's say, an open forum, all you need to do is click on reply. So let me look for a forum here. Okay. Okay, let's say this one. So this is an open forum. Now, if you want to leave a comment to a post in an open forum, so all you need to do is click on reply. I agree to something like that. Submit. Then there's your response or comment to a response in an open forum. And of course, you can also delete that if there's like a mistake that you made. And another thing, you can always use this advanced editor. So it's the same as the comment section in the assignment. So once you click on this one, there, all other elements will be seen. So you can add a text. You can add in a text, a link, an image, a video, audio, H5P, and all the other elements here. So you can also attach a file then for your comments. But I don't think there is an emoji you can put in if we are just going to use the comment section. Then just click post to forum once you're done with all of the comments that you want to put in there. So yeah, that's it. So basically you can again add comments to a submitted assignment and post a reply in an open forum. So I hope I didn't leave anything. Sir John, is there anything you want to add? If there is also other comments or such as adding text or emojis to any other learning activity.
Yeah, I think the discussion clarifies me, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So yeah, that's it. That is how we add comments to submitted activity. And thank you so much for joining me this morning and have a great day, everyone.